Morning, my dear students. I welcome you all for today's Embedded Systems and IoT Lab class. Today, I am going to give a demonstration related to the experiment single character generation by using the Arduino. Today I am going to give a demo related to the experiment single character generation by using the Arduino. First, I'll go through the you know, experiment manual related to this particular driving the single character generation by using the Arduino UNO. This is the experiment number 4. Okay, the experiment 4 is related to drive single character generation by using the Arduino UNO. The main aim of this experiment is to drive single character generation by using the Arduino UNO. The hardware components required for this particular experiment are Arduino UNO, resistor, and we require one LED. Okay. Later, I will use the Autodesk Tinkercad software to do this particular experiment. Okay. And I will explain the wiring procedure also, how to connect all these components. This is the circuit diagram related to this particular single character generation by using the Arduino. And today, this particular experiment, we are using the software, Tinkercad software, Autodesk Tinkercad software to this particular experiment. Okay, so you can see that we are going to use one Arduino board, and we are using one LED, and we are using the resistor. Okay, here regarding the connections, okay, you can see that the long leg of this particular LED is connected to the ground pin. Okay, you can see that in the digital pins we are connecting the long pin of this particular LED to the ground pin, and after that you connect the short leg of the LED, okay, this particular one, to the one end of the resistor, and other end of the resistor you connect it to the pin number 13, because in the program I written mentioned it as 13. That's why we are connecting this particular resistor point with the pin number 13, and this is the program related to this particular you know, how to generating the our particular single character generation by using the Arduino. So mainly, like whenever the program reads that single character, then the LED should have to glow. That is the main no, objective of this particular program. Okay, regarding this particular code. Okay, so we are here. We are we are right, because the Tinkercad software easily interpret the program by using C++ code. That's why we are using the C++ code. Okay, and here we are use the block here. In this particular block, we specified a integer LED pin that is equal to 13. So this LED pin which stores the pin number to the which the LED is connected. So we connected the LED through resistor to the pin number 13. So this LED pin function stores the pin number to which the LED is connected, that is pin number 13. That's why we are using this particular LED pin is equal to 13. Okay, right. So after that we use the void setup function. Okay, mainly this whenever the we are starting or reset the program, then always we have to set up the void setup function, which runs once the Arduino based boards starts or they reset. That's why we are using this particular void setup. Okay, okay, after that we specified the pin mode LED, pin mode LED pin comma output. Okay, So here this particular block, okay, this particular block, okay, configures the LED pin as an output pin. So this particular uh, block which configures the like LED pin as an output pin. Okay, that's why we are using this particular pin mode LED pin as output. Okay, and after that we use the return serial dot begin 9600, this particular one, okay, which initializes the serial communication between the Arduino and a connected device. Okay, this particular block which initializes the serial communication between the Arduino and a connected device. For example, like the whatever the in the computer we are connecting this particular Arduino. So it will initialize that communication between Arduino and the connected computer at a baud rate of 9600 bits per second. That's why I'm specifying the serial dot begin 9600, which initializes the serial communication between the Arduino and the computer at a baud rate of 9600 bits per second. Okay, and after that we are using the uh, function void loop. Okay, this particular, because already I mentioned in earlier demo classes also, whenever the program repeatedly have to perform execute the blocks, then we have to use this void loop function, okay, to continuously run the continuously execute the program. That's why we are using the void loop. Okay, so after that we specified the like the code as serial dot available. So the serial dot available which checks, like which checks if there is a incoming data in serial buffer, which checks the data in the serial buffer. Okay, which checks the data in the serial buffer, this particular serial dot available, and returns a value greater than 0 if data is available. Okay, for example here we specified the incoming byte as a. Whenever it the character is available, then it returns the value greater than 0 if the data is available. That is the main code related to this particular serial dot available. The serial dot available uh, which checks the incoming data in the serial buffer. Okay, and returns 0 if data is available. Okay, so after that we use the function that as serial incoming byte is equal to serial dot read. So this particular code reads 1 byte of incoming data. So this particular serial dot reads the 1 byte of incoming data from the serial buffer. Okay, so in this particular one the data is stored in the variable incoming byte. So whatever the incoming data is there, that data will be stored in the like variable incoming byte. Okay, and next we specified the code as if incoming byte is equal to a. This compares the received whatever the data or character is there, that it compares the data with the a. Okay, here already we specified the incoming byte. So whatever the data it reads, that data already stored in the variable incoming byte. So after that it compares the this particular line, it compares the incoming data with the character, a. If the character matches, okay, then the block executed and the LED will get turned on. Okay, okay, If the block, for example, I given the input as B, then the code is not matched, then the LED will be not glowed. Okay, that is the why we are using this particular incoming byte is equal to A. So after that, we write the code as digital write LED pin. Okay, digital write LED pin mainly this particular which toggle this particular code toggles the LED rate. If LED if the this particular code uh, like uh, like previous code if it identifies the character as A, then it switch on the LED. If the character is not matched, okay, then the LED will be in off mode. For that one, we are using this particular line LED write LED pin digital write. So this is that is the intention behind this. Why we are using this particular digital write LED pin digital read LED pin. So whenever the incoming byte is A, then immediately the LED will on. If the incoming byte is not A, any other character you given, then the LED will be in off mode. That is the code related to this particular generation of single character generation by using the Arduino. Now I will use the like Tinkercad software to do this particular experiment. Okay, now you use this particular uh, Autodesk Tinkercad web-based software. You click the here plus button create, and there you choose the option circuits. Okay, circuits. Okay, you just refer the connections. You can see that we required one Arduino board, and we required one LED, and we required one resistor, and the LED long leg is connected to the ground pin, and LED short leg is connected by means of the resistor to the pin number 13. So you uh, click on this Arduino board and place this in the workspace. Okay, like this. Okay, after that we require one LED. Click this, and after that we require place the click this LED and place in the workspace, and after that click the resistor and place it in the workspace. Okay, now you connect this particular long leg to the ground pin, and you connect the short leg of the LED to the one end of the resistor, and other end of the resistor is connected to the pin number 13. Why? Because in the program we mentioned the pin number 13. Later you type the code. For that you click the option code. Okay, there instead of blocks you choose the text option, then you get a one pop-up message, are you sure you want to close the blocks editor? So you click continue. Okay, and then you will get the default program. You erase that particular code. Okay, now I am, for time's sake, I am copying this particular code. Okay, and I am pasting here in the code here. Okay, after that you start the simulation. Okay, to check the whether the output is correct or not, you have to give the input by means of the serial monitor. So here if I am giving the character input as A, enter A. Okay, you can see that the LED is get switched on. You can see the LED light. If you want the change the resistor value, you can change the resistance value. That you can change that particular readings also. For example, I can keep it as kilo ohms to ohm, and I can change it to 20 ohms also, like that. Okay, if I want and here in the serial monitor I am giving the below the input like text box, I am if I am giving the B as the one, okay, it won't take the character. Okay, it will want to take the character. So again I will stop the simulation. For example, again if I am going the start the simulation, for example I am giving the input as B. You can see that after giving the input, it is not comparing that input with this particular one. Incoming byte is not A, it is B. That's why the LEDs get off. It is in off mode. So and again I am giving the character A. You can see that the LEDs get started. That is, it is glowed. Okay, that's why whenever I'm giving the the character A, I'm typing in the text box, text input, then immediately it is the LED is blown on, because the compared value incoming, it read the value A, and that value is stored in the variable incoming byte A. Incoming byte is equal to A. It's A value stored in the incoming byte, and after immediately the digital writer, it is writing the function, like it is making the LED to glow on whenever it reads the character A. Okay, that's how the this particular experiment, how to generate the single character generation by using the Arduino. I thank all the students for listening to this particular demonstration class. Thank you.